Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Random Ass Videos. I am in the middle of waiting for my sons to come out from their haircut somewhere in there. Pretty good fades. Sushi, liquor, some ladies changing a baby, staring at me, and looking back at me cause it's from my baby. Anyways, I don't have the system in here yet. Oh, you saw it last time. The Diablos I'll be changing out for some scars, or it's gonna be at least 1,000 or 1,500 watts RMS from downforsound.com. But today we are here for this shit. Some more Frost King duct insulation. It was $18.98 plus tax. I paid $20.05. It's pretty thick. Sorry, as you can see. And I mean, it works. And what I need it for is my trunk. It's been rattling like crazy. It's annoying. Oh shit, got my camera. It's fucking annoying. Sounds good in here, but outside it doesn't sound so nice. I also have to fix or do something to that back part, because there's a sub back there where I'll show you. So I need to fix this light bar too. So I'm using it as an excuse to fix, or took some of the clips off, because it was actually, the base was making the camera not work. Conveniently, the battery's in the back. I got the biggest fucker that could fit in there, 900 cold cranking amps. I went today to ask for another one, since I'm gonna do a parallel. But I've learned my lesson before. Don't mix and match your batteries. Preferably get the same exact battery or similar, as far as don't mix AGM with lead acid. Don't mix, deep cycles with just starting batteries. So I don't know what to do. I would take the shit off. Back here you can see, so there's a ground. You probably can't see, it's back there. It's got 2 grounds to it, and then I did another ground for the fuck of it, right there at that. That's a battery. It holds the battery in place. But anyways, we're gonna remove all this shit. These clamps right here. And just deaden the fuck out of all this car. Alright, so this is the current little tube I was able to do. And you got spade terminals this big, tiny, and on top of that it has a little stupid cover, so I couldn't fit the original one that I made, which looks like this. You see, I shaved the ring terminal and I would fit it on top of the spade, put the screw in, but this motherfuckers can't. Do the math. I mean, 325 amp fuses by 14. I guess 14 volts. I ain't gonna say I'm not always at 14, so I would say about 12.8. But it gets it moving. And these are, look what I had to reduce them. I got a filer. file them down, and it's the only way because of, and I guess I could have cut this with a Dremel. I didn't think about it, but for now I have one-aught wire because this is a pretty thick cable. I guess I'll update you guys once I start doing it. I'm also going to mount an amp rack up. My amp's gonna be set up there, floating, mounted with those screws that are already there for the seat. And I also have a fan, comes from a computer, Alienware, it's pretty fast, mounted up there somehow so it can suck in the air from the cabin. And then also make a hole down here and put a fan that I already have, a computer fan, to suck the air out. Alright, well, that's pretty much it, guys. Subscribe and like. I'll be posting more videos just because I know some people want to know what's going on, how to do shit like this.